styrofoam. Missing the top, right? It's missing the top. It's not mentioned in the description. I mean, I got a great price, but they didn't say it was missing the top. Ooh. It's like new in there. I'm gonna make coffee tomorrow. Very clean. We'll see you in the morning. That worked out pretty good. Let's take a look inside. Let's take a look inside. I'd say that worked pretty good. If you're missing a heat spreader, use a Melita filter on top. It could have been worse.
I have to hand it to Corningware and Pyrex. I have a Farberware stainless steel stovetop percolator. I have the worst time getting it to perk. All different heat settings. It just gives me so much trouble. Corningware, Pyrex, they just perk. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.